Hello kids, welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we are going to learn letter H, uppercase H and lowercase h. H is for hen. Hen means murgi. H is for hen. Hen means murgi. H is for hat. H-U-T, hat. Hat means jhopdi. H is for horse. 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 Horse means ghoda. H is for hat. 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 Hat means topa. H is for hand. H is for hat. H is for horse. H is for hat. Let's write. Okay kids. Draw a standing line. Go to the top and draw again a standing line. Go to the middle and draw a sleeping line. This is capital letter H. Draw a standing line. Go to the middle and draw a curved line. This is a small letter H. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.